Are you looking for the perfect outdoor seating that combines modern style, exceptional comfort, and durability? Meet the Pacifica Club Chair in Slate by Harmonia Living, a stunning addition to any patio, deck, or poolside space. Crafted with a contemporary design, this chair features sleek, clean lines, and a timeless slate finish that pairs beautifully with a variety of outdoor aesthetics. The Pacifica Club Chair isn't just about looks, though. It's designed for long-lasting performance. The frame is made from powder-coated aluminum, so it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and ready to handle the challenges of outdoor living. And let's talk about comfort. The plush, all-weather cushions are not only thick and supportive, but also wrapped in fade-resistant fabric, ensuring they stay vibrant and cozy season after season. Whether you're entertaining guests or unwinding with a good book, this chair creates the ultimate relaxation spot. One of the best features of the Pacifica Club Chair is its low-maintenance design. The cushions come with removable, washable covers, making it easy to keep your furniture looking fresh. Plus, the high-quality materials mean you can count on this chair to retain its beauty and durability over time, even in challenging weather conditions. At Patio Productions, we're proud to carry premium pieces like this because we know how important it is to create an outdoor space that feels like home. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.